Drawing modes. The commands for creating the main graphic objects are located in the Home tab. Drawing group. Let's get acquainted with the basic primitives. Line, polyline, circle, arc, and also with ones found in the drop-down menu that are used less frequently than the main drawing elements. Activate the line by clicking the left mouse button on the command, or use the key combination Ctrl-Alt-L. You can immediately see in the command line, but it's requesting to select the first point. Let's indicate it on the drawing. It suggests selecting the next point. And then the first undo option appears. This option offers to undo the last operation. Let's create a simple shape and use the undo. The same action can be done using the Ctrl-Z shortcut. Or by entering new letter. And the principle's the same in every case, we'll just undo the last step. Close option lets you close a shape. Another way to complete the shape is to press Enter or Escape. This is how you work with drawing modes. You can also edit and tweak the line. When we select a segment, we see gripes that let you stretch, enlarge, or move the segment wherever or to set distance. Naturally, each action opens up more options, which can get you more precision in your design. You can also use the context menu. Another line. Right-click. Enter. And you're done drawing. The same thing with cancel and undo. Items below is navigating, zooming, and snap overrides, which we'll cover later. You can also input exact values from the keyboard, like 200, and set the direction. So, we can draw a segment with a set distance and length. And ortho mode is turned off. Like now, we can freely set an angle or use polar tracking. By the way, that angle you can see on the coordinates bar. And when dynamic input is turned on, it will show up right by the cursor for your convenience. We have looked at all things that you can do with the line segment. So let's break here. Clear everything we just drew and move on. We have covered the line. It's one of the main drawing modes, and it's super common in designs. And we now know lines can be made individually or in segments, each with its own editing grips to pull, stretch, or move. Next one is polyline. Let's point to a spot in the drawing area and watch the status bar. Polyline can have both straight and curved segments, and they all count as a single element. Let's get a bit deeper into arc command details and switch from straight to curved segment. Let's also keep ortho mode off for now. And to make the arc go this or that way, just press Ctrl and choose your direction. Release TRL. It goes back. Let's press Ctrl again. Second segment is ready. Let's switch back to line mode. Now, let's see how half width and width modes work. Next segment. Width. Let's use the command line and input 2. Enter. Then 6. This is how polyline will look. To revert it back to its original form, you'll have to select width option again and set both start and end width to 0. For half width, the principle is the same. Let's put again 6 and 2 in reverse order and see the difference. As we can see, width values is doubled. And the next segment will be drawn with width set to 4. Unless you reset it. So let's revert it back to its original form again. And close the line. If we select this polyline, see, it's a single drawing mode that also has its editing handles and when built, comes with a context menu. Here, we can stretch by the vertex. Same as stretch. Add a vertex. And convert the segment to arc. And we can also stretch or remove the vertex. We can access drawing modes through a group, a combination of keys or command aliases. Like, for POLYLINE, that would be PL. And it pops up first in the list. Let's delete polylines. And move on to a circle. Shortcut for the circle is Ctrl-Alt-C. Or you can use the command line. Just type C. As well as your dynamic mode is on. You can just type C here. And pick proper command. You can check these out in the help section or just remember them. Now let's draw a circle. I'll use center and radius. And notice we have options showing up in the command line. And we can pick directly from that dropdown. Center radius. Center diameter, 2 point, 3 point. 2 tangent, radius, or 3 tangents. We'll give all these options a shot. But for now, we'll go with center and radius. Select it. And check out editing grips. Each of them has coordinates.